Start a YouTube channel is very exciting. You have many ideas, many creativity. You really want to grow. But the biggest difficulty of the new creators is views. You pass a lot of time and editing and making video to post on YouTube. And finally, you find only 20 people watch your videos. Most of them are your friends and your family. For truth, most of new creators fail because they have no talent. They fail because they repeat the same mistake. That skill, the change that they have to go on this platform. If you are fighting to have more views, it's because you are making the same mistake. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 more mistakes new YouTubers make and what's most important, how to solve that problem. Number 1, bad title and bad thumbnail. The first thing people see on your video is your title and your thumbnail. If your thumbnail are not nice and your title are not attractive, people won't click. And if they are very clickbait, people will click and left the video after. That kill your watch time and YouTube think the video is not good. The mistake, most the creator pass more time to make the video, but they pass a few time for making the thumbnail and the title. They just write a simple title. For example, my journey on the park today, or they put the clickbait that have no sense. For example, you will never believe what's happened. None of this title will work. The solution is make clear title that can make people curious about it and people can search for it. Don't write that's my first video. Write instead, for example, if you are on the niche of tech, for example, you can say iPhone 16 vs Samsung Galaxy S24. That's better to make video for YouTube. That's make people want to know the answer. For the thumbnail, keep it simple with bright colors and text easy to read on your phone. Remember that you don't need clickbait. You need clear title and curiosity. Number 2, they ignore the SEO and the keyword. YouTube is a search engine. Every day, billions of people making search on it. They are typing, for example, how to cook eggs, how to make a cake, what's best camera for beginner. If your video doesn't work with good keywords, anybody will find it. The mistake is add a title, try new thing, or a description, I hope you love it. That doesn't give YouTube any information of this video. The solution is make search for keywords. You can use tools like vidIQ to body to search for keywords, or type on the YouTube search bar to know what people are searching for. After that, put them keywords in the description and the tags. Put the keywords in the description and put the keywords on the tag. Write instead, how to draw a face for beginner step by step. The rule is simple. If nobody looking for your title, nobody will find you. Number 3, bad audience retention. Even people click on your video, the big fight is to make people stay on your video. YouTube loves video people watch till the end. If your video lose 70% of your audience in the first 30 seconds, the algorithm won't push it again. The mistake is make long intro. You tell too much thing that's not important. More beginner made that mistake. They start like this. Good morning, my friend. How are you? Please like and subscribe to the channel. During this time, most people are already gone. Keep people in the first 10 seconds in your video. Go to the point. If your video is talking about how to get more views on YouTube, start with phrases that very strong like. If your video are under 100 views, this is the reason. That's keep people on your video. Cut all useless part on your video. Keep the video tight and always finish the video with a good punchline. Your goal is to make people forget the time while they're watching your video. Number 5, not consistency. Going on YouTube, it's like you go to gym. If you make exercise one time a month, you won't find the result. If you post 2 videos in a month on YouTube, YouTube won't push your video and the audience will forget you. The mistake is post 5 videos in a week and you disappear for 1 month. The solution is make a schedule. Follow the schedule every week, post maybe 1 or 2 times a week. It's very good to post a video every week for a year. Instead, you post 20 videos for 1 month and you disappear on YouTube. Instead, you post 20 videos for 1 month and you disappear for a year. Consistency make your audience, the algorithm know that you are still working on YouTube and your audience is waiting for you. Consistency build faith and trust bring views. Number 5, not using analytics. YouTube give you some free data on your analytics studio to know what's working and what's not working. But new creator ignore that. The mistake is post video with never watch the audience retention, the traffic source or your click-through rate. The solution is reading your analytics. If people leaving your video after 30 seconds, try to arrange your introduction. If your CTR is lower than 5%, working on your thumbnail. If your viewers from search, keep on working your video for CEO. Keep your analytics as your best friend. Listen to what he said to you. Find more views on YouTube. It's not question of chance. It's not making the same mistake. And apply strategies that already work. Let's make a review. Make clear title and thumbnail people can searching for and that gives curiosity. Use keyword people are searching for. Post video consistency. Number 5, learn your analytics. If you do those 5 things, your channel will go up. That's what happened in one day, and you will find progress every week. Every 100 views will become 1,000 views next week, and next month 10,000 views. And remember that every big YouTuber start with 0 views. The difference, they learn what's working. And now you already know what's working, use them and keep working.